Algebraic expressions. Algebraic term, numeric term. In an algebraic expression 2x plus 9, 2x is called algebraic term and 9 is called numeric term. Like and unlike terms. Like terms are terms which contain the same variables with the same exponents. Example, 7a square and 14a square, 3xy and 4xy. Unlike terms are terms which contains the same variable with different exponents. Example, 3xy square and 4x square y. Coefficient. In 9xy, 9 has a numerical value. It is called numerical coefficient. X, y and xy are literal coefficients because they are variables. Expressions. An expression is a single term or combination of terms connected by the symbol plus or minus. Example, 6x plus 3y, 9xy. Note, multiplication, division do not separate terms. For example, 2x into 3y and 2x by 3y are single terms. Numerical expressions and algebraic expressions. If every term of an expression is a constant term, then the expression is called numerical expression. Example, 1 plus 2 minus 9, minus 3 minus 5. If an expression has at least one algebraic term, then the expression is called numerical expression. Example, x minus 11 by 3, 2x minus y. Types of algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression containing one term is called monomial. Example, x, 7xyz, 9z square. An algebraic expression containing two unlike terms is called binomial. Example, a plus 4x, 3x square minus y square. An algebraic expression containing three unlike terms is called trinomial. Example, ax square plus 4x plus 2. An algebraic expression containing more than one unlike term is called multinomial. Example, 4x square plus 2xy plus cx plus d. Types of algebraic expressions. Binomial, trinomial are also multinomial algebraic expressions. Degree of monomial. The sum of all exponents of the variables present in a monomial is called degree of the term or degree of the monomial. Example, for 7x square, degree of monomial is 2. For minus 3xyz, degree of monomial is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. Degree of constant term. The degree of any constant term is 0. Example, for 5, the degree is 0. Degree of algebraic expression. The highest of the degree of all the terms of an expression is called the degree of the expression. Example, 3y minus x square y square. Here, the first term 3y degree is equal to 1. The second term x square y square degree is equal to 4. So, the highest degree 4 is called degree of the expression. Addition of like terms. The sum of two or more like terms is like term with a numerical coefficient equal to the sum of the numerical coefficient of all the like terms in addition. Example, find the sum of 5x, 7x. Solution, 5x and 7x are like terms. So, 5x plus 7x is equal to 5 plus 7 into x is equal to 12x. Subtraction of like terms. The difference between two like terms is a like term with numerical coefficient equal to the difference between the numerical coefficient of the two like terms. Example, subtract 7xy minus 2xy. Solution, 7xy and 2xy are like terms. So, 7xy minus 2xy is equal to 7 minus 2 into xy is equal to 5xy. Simplification of an algebraic expression. If no two terms of an expression are alike, then it is said to be in the simplified form. Example, simplify 5x square y plus 2x square y plus 4 plus 5xy square minus 4x square y minus xy square minus 9. Solution, 5x square y plus 2x square y plus 4 plus 5xy square minus 4x square y minus xy square minus 9 implies 5x square y plus 2x square y minus 4x square y plus 5xy square minus xy square plus 4 minus 9 implies 3x square y plus 4xy square minus 5. Standard form of an expression. In an expression, if the terms are arranged in such a way that the degree of the terms are in descending order, then the expression is said to be in standard form. Example, 7x square plus 2x plus 11, 5y square minus 6y minus 9. Finding the values of an expression. Example, find the value of minus 2x square if x is equal to minus 1. Solution, minus 2x square implies minus 2 into minus 1 whole square. Substituting the values of variable implies minus 2 into 1 is equal to minus 2. Example, if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, find the values of 4x minus 3y plus 5. Solution, 4x minus 3y plus 5 implies 4 into 1 minus 3 into 2 plus 5. Substitute the values of variable implies 4 minus 6 plus 5 is equal to 3. Addition of expression. The sum of expression can be obtained by adding like terms. This can be done in two ways. Number 1, column or vertical method. Number 2, row or horizontal method. Column or vertical method. Steps for adding. Number 1, write the expression in standard form if necessary. Number 2, write one expression below the others such that the like terms comes in the same column. Step 3. Add the like terms column wise and write the result just below the concerned column. Example, add 5x square plus 9x plus 6, 4x plus 3x square minus 8 and 5 minus 6x. Solution. Step 1. Writing the standard form. 5x square plus 9x plus 6 implies 5x square plus 9x plus 6. 4x plus 3x square minus 8 implies 3x square plus 4x minus 8. 5 minus 6x implies minus 6x plus 5. Step 2. Like terms one below the other. 5x square plus 9x plus 6, 3x square plus 4x minus 8 minus 6x plus 5. Step 3. Add the like terms. 8x square plus 7x plus 3. Row or horizontal method. Steps for adding. Number 1. Write all expressions with addition symbol in between them. Number 2. Rearrange the terms by grouping the like terms together. 3. Simplify the coefficients. 4. Write the resultant expression in standard form. Example: add 4m square minus 7n square plus 5mn and 3m square plus 5n square minus 2mn. Solution: 4m square minus 7n square plus 5mn plus 3m square plus 5n square minus 2mn implies 4m square minus 7n square plus 5mn plus 3m square plus 5n square minus 2mn implies 4m square plus 3m square minus 7n square minus 5n square plus 5mn minus 2mn implies 7m square minus 2n square plus 3mn. Additive inverse of an expression. Thus, for every algebraic expression, there exists another algebraic expression such that their sum is 0. These two expressions are called the additive inverse of each other. Example: find the additive inverse of the expression 6x square minus 4x plus 5. Solution: additive inverse of 6x square minus 4x plus 5 implies minus into 6x square minus 4x plus 5 is equal to minus 6x square plus 4x minus 5. Subtraction of algebraic expression. Column or vertical method. Steps for subtracting. 1. Write both expressions in standard form if necessary. 2. Write the expressions one below the other such that the expression to be subtracted comes in the second row and like terms come one below the other. 3. Change the sign of every term of the expression in the second row to get the additive inverse of the expression. 4. Add the like terms column wise and write the result below the concerned column. Example: subtract 4 plus 3m square from 4m square plus 7m minus 3. Solution: Step 1. Writing the standard form. 4m square plus 7m minus 3 implies 4m square plus 7m minus 3. 4 plus 3m square implies 3m square plus 4. Step 2. Like terms one below the other. 4m square plus 7m minus 3. 3m square plus 4. Step 3. Change the signs of every term in the second row. 4m square plus 7m minus 3. Minus 3m square minus 4. Step 4. Add the like terms. m square plus 7m minus 7. Row or horizontal method. Steps for subtracting. 1. Write the expressions in one row with the expression to be subtracted in a bracket with arranging negative sign it. 2. Add the additive inverse of the second expression to the first expression. 3. Group the like terms and subtract. 4. Write the standard form. Example: subtract 3m cube plus 4 from 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3. Solution: 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus 3m cube plus 4 implies 6m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus 3m cube minus 4 implies 6m cube minus 3m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 3 minus 4 implies 3m cube plus 4m square plus 7m minus 7.
మా వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.